Hey, what up, everybody? Hey, look, fresh out of church on this Sunday, got a package, and I couldn't wait.
Yep.
I already did the video, so this is like the intro, but I already recorded it. But hey, man, this right here, this is what y'all been waiting on, bruh. This is what y'all been waiting on. Hold on, let me do my thumbnail. You know what I'm saying? This is what y'all been waiting on. I've been waiting to get them in hand to kind of give you guys a review, a look at these things. So I'm gonna flip this camera around, give y'all a detailed review of these things. Hope the camera is actually focusing on them, and just to kind of give you guys an opinion of mine, and to see if you guys want to pay that resale for these things, man. The resale has really dropped down when it comes to these things, but for the most part, I think if this is a shoe that you want, you should be able to attain it. But yeah, man, we're gonna get into a detailed review. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. A lot of people should be getting their pairs from the Virgil website, so salute to everybody who's able to get them. And I still don't like them, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, you know what I'm saying? I still don't like them, and these are definitely getting gone. But let's go ahead and get off into this review. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that hype button. I appreciate y'all for always tapping in. Let's go. I did want to give y'all a POV view of me unboxing the sneaker. So this is my first time seeing it with you guys. So hey, feel honored, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and open up this box. It comes with the sticker like this. This one is directly from the Virgil website. So this comes with this sticker in there. So this is what you should expect if you are going to be unboxing any of the pairs from the Virgil website. Then the box does have this plastic wrapper on it. Let me try to take it out of here real quick. So it's nothing else inside of the box, as you guys can see. Put that box over there. So here is the packaging. Like I said, it comes in this plastic, has some tape right here. I don't know why this is kind of like ripped off already, but I try to go around it, as you guys can see right here. This is what you can expect. Let's go ahead and open up this paper. I'm gonna try to keep these intact as much as I can, because honestly, these things going out the door. I'm flipping these things. So we're gonna remove this plastic on the box like so. Put that plastic to the side, and here's the box. Now here's the size tag for you guys. As you guys can see right here, it does say Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG SP, size 11. And yeah, man, going around the box, you do have some perforations, some holes right here that has plastic behind it, as you guys can see with the Nike branding right there, going all the way around the box. On the top of the box, we're gonna have the exact same thing. And then here is the bottom of the box for you guys. So go ahead and open it up. It's going to be a flip box right here, as you guys can see. And we have this, it's like a plastic piece right here with this blue tape. We're gonna pull this out. And as you pull this out, as you guys can see, this book comes out. Go ahead and show you guys this book. This is the coolest thing about the sneaker, in my opinion. This is like a book, like a memoir type thing. Open it up from Virgil. It has different thoughts and stuff like that, which is super cool. So you are gonna kind of like a piece of history. I do respect that aspect of it, for real, for real. But like a lot of stuff going on in here, designs, different historic moments, and like visions from Virgil. And from a fashion and collector's piece aspect, I do respect that a lot. You know what I'm saying? Different color blotches and all that stuff. Maybe I'll do a separate video really talking about this book, but that's gonna come with that. So that's something cool that you get with the sneaker. We're gonna put that to the side. And as we open up this, we're gonna pull this out right here. And this is what the interior of the box looks like. It's like a chrome colorway, as you guys can see right here. Quality control sticker is going to be on the inside right there for you guys to see that. We're gonna put this to the side over here. And then here are the shoes. So they're gonna come in this little casing right here. Have the paper, Jordan logo, and then it's gonna have the Virgil website logo and stuff like that. And the shoes are not going to be individually packaged in this wrapping paper like we've seen them wrapped. And then we have the shoes right here, man. Y'all let me know down below. Comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. These are cool. I still don't like them.
Nope.
Seeing them initially in hand. This is not a pair that I feel like I have to have in my collection. That white outsole is really disgusting. What? But like I said, I wanted to give you guys a view of them and let you guys make your own opinion, because I know resale is tanking on these things. And if this is something that you want to pay that resale value for, I want to give you guys that option. So starting right out, We got the typical Virgil off-white type vibes, you know what I'm saying? We got the Nike swoosh with the stitching right there. It's gonna have that blue stitching with the orange and the blue right there. We got the Wings logo right there, and then behind it, we got the iconic 85 behind there in that bold font. That's gonna be happening on both of them. One of the biggest differences in this one and the original one that had the off-white on it, as you guys can see right here, it says V.A.A. for Nike, Air Jordan 1, Beaverton, Oregon. So instead of saying off-white, you have the Virgil archive that's there instead. So, I mean, tomato, I guess that means a lot to some people, and some people don't hate that. Like, and some people hate that. I don't know. I'm indifferent. It really doesn't matter to me. On the booty of these things, nothing major, nothing different going on. Yeah, just typical stuff. And then you got your Air right here. On the toe box, you do have like this lighter blue color on the toe box leading up into the laces and all that stuff on the tongue. You have the Nike Air right there on your tongue. And then you have the blue zip tie right here that's gonna be on them. And it does come with the black center laces, purple center laces, and then this light blue colorway laces. No orange laces, man. With the hits of orange, I seen Jada Sneaker Guy put on there. I thought that would be dope if they would have did that with the orange laces. But anyway, it is what it is. But that is pretty much it for the sneaker. On the inside of the shoe is white with the Nike Air branding on there. Got the blue behind the tongue. Y'all let me know, man. Is this material seems pretty good, as you guys can see right here. I don't see any quality control issues with them. Kind of like a sail outsole right here. Toe box and stuff like that looks pretty good. Outsole is white, like I said. Here's the other one. This is going to be your right one that doesn't have the zip tie on it. Like I said, not a bad sneaker. I definitely don't think it was worth that $1,200 pre-sale that people was paying for them, in my opinion. I just don't like the colorway. I don't like the color blocking. It's not that it's a bad shoe. I get it. You know, I get the detail behind it, the history, RIP Virgil and all that stuff, but that's not enough for me to pay that much money for this shoe, in my opinion. But there you go. That's all I got for y'all. I hope that gave y'all some kind of like insight as far as if this is something you want to cop. I hope you're able to see the details in them when it comes to them. And if this is a sneaker that you're interested in, hey, comment down below. This is size 11. This one out the door. Maybe we can work something out, man. But the Nike Air Jordan 1 Virgil Abloh Archive Joints Alaskas are on deck. Detailed review for you guys. Honest opinion. These are not for me, but I respect anybody like them. Y'all let me know down in the comment section what your thoughts and opinions are. I appreciate you guys. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember everything we talk about, including these Virgils, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. KICKnology.